everybody, and welcome to my first official studio vlog. I am an artist and an illustrator, and my name is Krista, if you guys don't know that already. I have been trying to take my art a little bit more seriously the past, probably since last September, October. I started posting on social media more and trying to do art more frequently and trying to kind of grow a brand with the hopes of someday opening an online store and maybe being able to support myself as an artist. Some of you guys might know me as It's Lunaloo. That's kind of the handle I've been using on social media. So my goal for this studio vlog is to kind of record the process of me starting here, a newly graduated person who is working full-time for client work and contract jobs as a freelancer, to hopefully get to the point where I can be somewhat self-sufficient. That's the goal anyway. So here I am, we're starting, it's gonna be fun, I'm excited. I am kind of nervous as well. Some of my patrons might know, but I posted a practice studio vlog 2 weeks ago. I recorded myself and then I made a studio vlog kind of just practicing the process of recording myself and editing and all that fun stuff. And the vlog ended up being, I think, over 40 minutes, so it was way too long and I made a lot of mistakes and I personally thought it was so boring. So there's a little like voice inside me that's saying like, Krista, what are you doing? Like, this is gonna be horrible, like it's gonna be so boring, nobody's gonna like it. But there's another part of me that says, don't worry about that, just do it for yourself and enjoy the process, and maybe some people will enjoy it as well. So that's what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna start here and see where it goes. So it's currently 8 o'clock on Monday. I've had a full day of client work already and I've been pretty productive. And now that my client work is done, that means it's time for me to dive into working on Patreon stuff and working on commission work. Yeah, so I will probably show you guys some of that and then touch base with you again tomorrow. I have a meeting with some of my clients in 30 minutes, and then from there I will be working on client work for the rest of the day. You just saw me planning out my schedule for the day, so as soon as I'm done working on client work, I'm planning on posting my coloring page for my patrons that I worked on the other day. I think that the corgis turned out really cute, so I'm excited to share that. And then I'm gonna work on some commissions tonight. Good morning, everybody. It is 11 on Wednesday, and I am sitting down ready to work. It's pretty rainy and gross outside. I woke up quite a couple hours ago, and I don't know, I just was so slow this morning. Sometimes I think when it's rainy, I just want to like curl up and sleep. But I put on some makeup so that I could feel a little bit more human. And then I had a good chat with my roommates this morning, had some coffee. Yeah, and I'm pretty much ready to go. I was gonna work on some commissions last night and I didn't end up doing that, so I didn't have anything to show you there. I actually just ended up hanging out with my roommates, and yeah, I don't know. I've been trying to be better with myself about trying to take certain times to just not work and just laugh and do silly things, and yeah, I don't know. I love what I do, and I think sometimes it's too easy to continue working on contract work or my own personal stuff, and so yeah, it's good to have that time to just not work sometimes. And today I'm super excited because my custom packaging tape from Sticker Mule is supposed to come today, and I'm excited. I've not really tried them before, and they had a sale on their custom packing tape, so I was like, you know what, let's go for it. And my patrons helped me design a design for it, so they picked the design that's now on the tape, and I'm so excited because it's supposed to come. Hopefully it comes today. And yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna jump into a bunch of client work, and I'm not sure what's gonna happen later on today, but I probably will show you then. So talk to you in a bit. Guys, you gotta say hi to my vlog. Hi! Hi! We're going to Michael's! Hey guys, so I went to Michael's earlier today and I picked up a couple things, and I was gonna wait to show you guys what I got because my custom sticker tape was supposed to be coming today, but it never came, so I'm sad because it's 7:30 now and I don't think that they will be delivering at this time anymore. So yeah, anyway, I'll show you guys what I got regardless, and then I can do another little unboxing tomorrow. So one of the main reasons why I wanted to go to Michael's was because they had all their like summer florals on sale, and so I got this like little like fake eucalyptus plant and this little like fake, I don't know what this is, I don't know, just some kind of like little sprig of something. I wanted some, not flowers, but just some kind of like greenery and stuff to maybe use in like my photography and stuff. I just thought, I don't know, I'm just really addicted to plants lately. And while I love real plants, fake plants are pretty too. So yeah, and then I also got a package of 40 recycled craft paper envelopes. And they come with card as well, which I thought might work pretty well as like backing for certain things. Yeah, so it's like a combo pack. So I thought that would be kind of cool. Except I just realized that the envelopes are actually 5 by 6.5 inches, which means it won't fit a 5 by 7 piece of paper, which is what I was planning on making my prints. So I might have to order some other ones too, and then just use these for stickers or whatever. And then I have been looking for baker's twine for so long, like just like your basic like red and white baker's twine. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. But anyway, I found it. And I also got this like beigey one because I thought it was really pretty and neutral. I was hoping that they would have like a pastel blue, but I couldn't find one. So these are the colors that I got. And then I have another one from before that's like a pastel pink, but it's like a very thin twine. So it's not as, I don't know, it will not work to package as well, I think, as these ones will. So I'm really excited about these. They were kind of expensive, but you know, sometimes you just gotta splurge.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
Thursday. It's just a little bit past noon. I can't remember where I left off yesterday, but I remember that I wasn't able to unbox my packing tape because it didn't come yesterday. And then this morning I checked the tracking information again on Sticker Mule's website and nothing had changed. Nothing had changed since a couple days ago, so I contacted the company and just asked them what was going on, and then they told me that my package was lost in the post. So I was pretty bummed, and then they said, no worries, like, we'll make you another one. We're gonna start making that now, sorry about that. And so they started making another one, and then my roommate came home and there was a box on my porch. So I feel kind of bad now, but I mean, it's already in production, so I guess I will have two, and that's awesome. I will have lots of packing tape. So I'm gonna open this for you guys. I'm so excited. My lovely, amazing patrons helped decide on the design, and I know a couple of them have been excited about seeing it. So here it is. Okay, let's move that. So here's the box. All right, so let's open this. Oh my gosh. So they give you a little sponge so that you can wet it because it's water activated, which is great, and little instructions. And then they give you some little freebies as well. That's so awesome. Little Sticker Mule guy, and then 2 little coasters. Because I guess they do a hot sauce, which is kind of interesting. Oh my gosh, here it is. Oh, and there's another sticker in there. Oh, I'll show it to you guys. Ta-da! Sticker Mule. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I'm so excited. So here it is. I'll take it out of the plastic. This is so much tape. Wow. Oh my gosh, this looks great. So here it is. I hope you guys can see that okay. Move the box. So there's my little design. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks so pretty. The print quality looks really good. I mean, you can see the texture of like the reinforced whatever fibers that they use, but that doesn't bother me at all. Like I was expecting that. I mean, it is packaging tape after all. So wow, I'm so excited. This looks great. All right, yeah, so here it is. I'm so pumped. It's looking really good. I cannot wait to use it. I think I maybe will do a test piece in my planner, and maybe I'll film that so you guys can see that too. But yeah, there's the design. Thank you again to all my patrons who helped me vote on the design for this. I secretly was holding out that this was the one that you guys would pick, and I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy that it came. I mean, I don't have any orders to package yet, but when I do, they'll be packaged with this.
And hold me in your arm, sending flowers to me. Send me those flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me. Send me those flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away. Sending, you went away, you went away, you went away. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away, you went away.
Hey guys, sorry, it's me again. I feel like I have done a lot of unboxings in this video, and I didn't want to do another one, but I got a new case. I wasn't sure how I felt about it because usually I like to have some more color, but there weren't a whole lot of options online, so I was gonna go with pink. Oh, it's upside down. I decided to go with a nice black one, and it's got like the sleep to wake thing, and then yeah, it's clear in the back. And it also has a pen holder, which is what I really wanted because I want to keep my Apple Pencil safe because this thing is expensive and yeah, I want to keep it protected. So yeah, I'm really happy with it so far. It's so like light and tiny compared to my other case. But yeah, anyway, that's all I wanted to say. And I'm gonna actually finally get some work done because I have pretty much done nothing today. So see you guys later. Good morning, guys. It's now Friday. It's just a little bit past 10. I have some coffee and I'm just about to jump in and do a little bit of work this morning, but I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. This has been a lot of fun and I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please let me know. And if there's anything you'd like to see differently or you would like me to try, please let me know in the comments down below because I would love your opinion. And I hope this is something that you found entertaining, and I hope it doesn't end up being as long as my practice studio vlog. I'm hoping to edit it tonight, which is the 24th. I don't know if that will happen because Fridays are always such a rush for me, but I'm gonna do my best. I'm sorry there wasn't too much drawing in this video. I hope that you still find it somewhat entertaining, but if not, hopefully I can do some more drawing in the next one. But yeah, I don't know. I think I enjoy making these, and I honestly didn't even hate editing the last one. Like, it was a fun experience. So I'm gonna keep it up, and yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.